Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 25th to 29th August 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. So here I have already opened the chart. First, let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see on Friday, 0.99% positive move, 1.17197 was the closing on Friday. So here what are my expectations for coming week, and also I'll be sharing some important support and resistance zone which will help you to take better SL and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart first. So here let's open our weekly chart. As you can see in this weekly chart, we can see a bullish candle with a small body and a big lower wick with a small upper wick. So here stochastic RSI is around oversold area, which indicates us a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only rely on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support and resistance zone on our 1-day chart. So here I have already opened a 1-day chart, and here we can see a good support and resistance that we have already marked during a previous session where I have already given you the analysis. So here currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. Here we can see the levels are already marked, so we don't need to mark any levels. So here we just talk directly about our closing. So here on Friday we can see a closing of 1.17197. Here the direct support is 1.16921, direct resistance is 1.17454. After direct support there is a support of 1.16500 and then 1.16000. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 1.17882 and then 1.18202. So these are two important support zone and resistance which will help you to take better SL and target according to your bias. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to get some discount on your 1-step, 2-step account. So do consider checking that out as well. Also, I have also shared one payout link, payout video that I have already shared into my Forex playlist video. You can also check that out. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD for the coming week. Here, my expectations for this week is a bit negative. I'm expecting a negative move around 1.16150 to 1.16921. In this move, I'm expecting a move in this range, but you also have to consider if we see a breach or a move above this level, that is 1.17454. If a 1-day candle close above this level 1.17454, then we can see a move till 1.17882. So if you're looking for any upside trade then or a positive trend, long trade, then you have to look for a move above this level and a 1-day candle closing above this level. Then only you need to go for a upside move, that is to this level, that is 1.17882. My expectation is in negative move, that is in this range. So what are your expectations for the coming week? Do let me know in the comment section. Also, there are many events that are going to come in this week, so be very careful during this time because news trading is a bit of gambling. So better to trade when there are no news or any news on that day, even if your analysis or bias is on long or short. So what are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.